All right, so here we have a quick tutorial about using this heat press. There's going to be a dial on the heat press. You want to make sure it's a little bit over 320 degrees is what we are looking for. You can buy a heat press on Amazon for like $100. It's really not too expensive. When we click it on, both lights are going to be on. Now at this stage, I definitely recommend setting an alarm. You do not want to forget about it. All right, so right now we have this hoodie over here that's been screen printed, and we need to heat press it. That way it can go through the wash. So even with all these layers and stuff like this, you need to fold it up till it's just above the design like that. We can load it onto the press here. Be really careful of that right there. We put this sheet on top. This is a heat resistant sheet. Press down. And then we let that hang out like that for 1 minute. All right, here we go. This is the white tee. We're trying to get this to fit on the press here. Also, there's a bunch of grease and dust over here, and that could ruin the white shirt too. So the best approach to this is actually going to be folding it one time like this, and then putting it center like that. It's okay if there's a couple little wrinkles in there. You know, the first time you wash it, all the wrinkles will come out anyway. So we put the heat resistant sheet on top. And you can point that way. There's a clock on the wall there in case you forget your timer. Just kind of pull it off. Make sure to take a screenshot of the following washing instructions, which are also instructions you should be using with every single graphic tee you want if you don't want it to crack, chip, and fall apart over time. Quick side note here about some cheaper options to the heat press. You could totally use a heat gun, a clothing iron, or spin it for a cycle on full blast at a laundromat on one of those large dryers there. I myself don't have a ton of personal experience with this, but, you know, send it, dude. See what happens.